Today we are going to look at how to create new folder or how to create a folder. So let's now pick our mouse and then jump straight into action. We are going to create it on the desktop. We've learned already, so now you know the desktop environment, that it is our work area. So we are going to create a folder on the desktop here. Now, how do we create a folder? Folders can be created on the desktop or in my documents and other places. A folder can be created in the folder. We create folders so as to put other folders and other files or documents into it. Let's create a folder. How do we create a new folder? We right click on the empty space of the desktop like I've done. Right click on it, then you place your cursor on new. After you get to new, you go up here and click on folder. Like I can see here, click on folder. After clicking on folder, you will see that a new folder has been created on the desktop, but it has the name new folder. It has been highlighted with blue at the background. We have to give this folder a new name, or we have to give it a name. So what do? We type a new name. Let's call this my IT lessons. So after typing the name for the folder, you click or you press on the enter key on the keyboard. Then it has saved the name for you. So this is how to create a folder. Once again, right click on the empty space of the desktop, select new, then go and click on folder. It will create a folder for you. So folders in general are yellow in color, and then they've been opened a bit, as you can see from here. So these are folders. As I said, you can create a folder inside a folder. So now that we created this folder, let's open the folder. So now this is the new folder that we just created, and the name of the folder is my IT lessons. Let us create a new folder here. Inside this folder, right click on the empty space, select new, then go and click on folder. You see the folder has been created with a default name new folder, and we don't want it to be called new folder, so let's give it a name. This folder, let's make it the 2 lessons. After typing the name, we click or we press on the enter key on the keyboard. After pressing on it, it has saved the name for you. So that is how to create a folder. Even inside this day2 folder, we can create another folder just like that and also call it, let's say, homework. So you can create folder in a folder in a folder. At the same time, you can also place files into these folders that we have created. So this is how we create a new folder. Now, let's look at how to rename a folder. So see, this is the folder we just created, my IT lessons. So let's rename it. How do you rename it? Place the cursor on that folder like I've done here. Right click your mouse, and then from the bottom you see rename. Click on rename. After clicking on rename, it will highlight it with a blue background for you again, allowing you to type a new name. So now let me say ICT lessons. So I've typed a new name. What do? I press the enter key on the keyboard. Then it has saved the name for me. Let us open this folder and go and rename the next folder, which is day 2 lessons. So how do you rename the folder? You right click on the folder like this, then you see this list of options. You go and choose rename. It has highlighted for you with a blue background. Now I can comfortably type my new name. Let's make it day 1. Day 1 lessons. After that, you press the enter key. It has saved for you. So this is how you rename a folder. It's the same way you rename a file or anything. So we'll be applying them as we move on. Thank you very much, and this is where we'll end today's lesson. See you all. Bye bye.